Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be doing our 2-week follow-up on iOS 17 Beta 2. I've been using this on my daily driver here since it came out last Wednesday, and it is currently Sunday. You'll probably see this on Monday. Hopefully we'll be getting iOS 17 Beta 3 here in the next day or so, if not today. But Beta 2, been very solid. They fixed a lot of the issues that we talked about in the video I made on Wednesday when it came out, with the music settings, stuff like that. But everything's been running pretty good. A lot of people have been reporting inconsistent battery life, stuff like that. But other than that, it's been pretty good. Smooth, no crashes, all my apps are working, all that kind of stuff. Nothing to report there. Let's go into the feedback app and I'll show you guys some of the stuff that I have reported here. Let's see. That's just a suggestion. Don't have too much in here. Had some issues with macOS. That's for watchOS. One thing is the autofill doesn't always fill in. When you have the autofill on the keyboard, it doesn't actually put anything in the text box. And I'm thinking that is something to do with Beta 2 because it was not happening on Beta 1 and nothing has changed other than the beta update. There's a large spacing between on the phone app. I'm not going to open it and show phone numbers, but on the phone app, on the recents list, there's a large amount of spacing between each call. So that, just some UI stuff, but nothing major. Everything's running pretty smooth. Battery life for me is pretty good. I haven't really had any issues with that in Beta 1 or 2, but some people are saying some days they get great battery life, and then some days they get, pretty bad battery life. Other than that, though, it's been pretty smooth. So we'll see what Beta 3 brings, and I will make a video and let you guys know how that goes and what is new when Beta 3 rolls out. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.